In a fun junk journal dream, DJ's crafting grungy scenes. Hither and yon, where friends all meet. Paper glue and vintage treats.
Hello, my crafty friends and creatives from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, hi! My name's DJ. This is the studio, and it's May 1st. Happy May Day, everybody. Maybe you're seeing this after May 1st, so happy May or happy day. Whatever suits you. Maybe it's night. I don't know. But anyway, today I'm going to announce the new digital for May. This is a free digital that's available all month long throughout the month of May. And if you haven't guessed already, it's all about the poppies this month. So let's get into it. All of the details about getting this free kit are down in the description box below. Underneath this video, there's the title. There's a little clip of information, and then there's usually a more or see more video or 3 dots or something, and you can expand it, and then you'll find the details on how to get your kit. All right. So this is a mini junk journal kit again this month. We are going to get into just making a beautiful poppy junk journal. So let's go through the pages. We have half pages, and I've already printed mine front and back. Everything is printed on cardstock. Everybody asks. I printed everything this month on cardstock. And I use the Nina index weight cardstock, which is in my description box below. So you can check that out if you want to get that. Otherwise, just use a cardstock that you like. If you don't have cardstock, print it on what you have. All right. So I printed mine front and back. So these are the half pages. We'll cut these in half and then fold them in half. And there's 9 of them. So that will get us 18 pages front and back. Actually, probably more than that, I think. But anyway, we have the poppies and more poppies and more poppies. So these will fold in half. You'll see some of them will be like that. Some of them will split down the middle. I did print mine front and back, and then I put an extra page. There's a neutral page, 2 neutral pages in the half sheets. So I printed on the back with one of those. I thought the cherries were fun because of the red. So I put a few of those in. And we have another showing of the ladybugs. Of course, I have to have ladybugs with the poppies. It just made sense. And then just some kind of neutral pages where you can build on it with the ephemera in the kit or whatever you have. And then these are the neutral pages. So I did an extra one. So this is the same page as this. So I did it on the back of this. And then I did these on the back of each other. So that when I cut these in half, I'll have a lot of neutral pages to kind of slip in. And then we get these full pages, and we'll get into the ephemera in a second. I have some that are vertical and some that are horizontal, but you can use them any which way that you wish to. This is just the way I designed them. So we have this gorgeous poppy red and green. I previewed this one and just a section of this one yesterday in the community area of YouTube. I hope that was a fun little preview for you guys. This is like an old world cracked painted background here, and it's got some beautiful poppies, and I really just love the way that turned out. Ladybugs with some green. More poppies, this time white or neutral, dried, whatever you want to believe. More poppies, more ladybugs. And then these are the vertical pages. So we have some polka dots, polka dot, some damask watercolor, more ladybugs, just a tartan kind of abstract, more ladybugs, some feathers, and then some more poppies. And then there's a bunch of sheets of ephemera. So we have some pockets, some like These are side pockets. Some have the gusset on them if you want to make them a little wider. But you could just cut those off if you don't use them. These are also pockets, top loading pockets, but you could also use them as journaling cards, up to you. Just some circle embellishments. Tags, tags, and more tags. Look at that pretty robin. And then a flag here to make a paper clip out of, and just a regular kind of tag. You could use as a dangle or something. I have to print on the back of these. I will probably print some neutral color that I have in my stash. This could be another pocket. Lots of journaling cards in different sizes. A fun little envelope with that polka dot pattern. And these cards can fit on the back of the envelope or tuck inside. Some tickets and some seals for the envelope if you want. These are my circle pockets. So this is the back of the pocket, and then these are the front. You can use them sideways, or you can, this one's kind of more up and down. So you just lay them over the top, and then you have a circle pocket, and I included a couple of more tickets here for you. And then we have some cut aparts or fussy cuts, however you want to say it. And they have a variety of designs on them. So there we go. That is the May kit 2025. It is free throughout the month of May. And go ahead and grab it now by checking the description box below. I hope to see you in the craft along videos that I'll be doing throughout the month. And you can always show off your shares on Instagram by tagging me and in the Facebook group. So I hope I see you there as well. All right, guys. Stay tuned for part 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.